When we come into a community, it's more than just a transaction. We want to be part of the community, so a big part of that is helping out. So today we're about to give away a car as part of Project Spark, providing hopefully some reliable transportation for a great family in need during the holiday season.
Shanell is a hardworking woman. She has been through a lot. When I first met Shanell about 1.5 years ago, she had just recently experienced the loss of her significant other. It left her family and her shattered.
Obviously, having a kid is not easy for anybody. I have 8. It has always been a challenge, but it's more challenging now when you don't have a support system. Their father passed away last year, so that made it hard, and he was like very supportive. I don't want to let them down.
We're just excited to, take one worry off her plate. I mean, that life isn't easy, it's full of challenges, but again, it's not about how many times you get knocked down. It's, getting up one more time, then you get knocked down, and Shanell's a perfect example of that.
It makes me feel proud of the job that I do and that we performed on the vehicle, making it safe and reliable for someone who really needs it.
She's been through a bunch of stuff, and I can relate to that. So I think it's a great thing what we're doing. Between Midas and Advanced Auto Parts, it's just quite a thing what we're doing today.
Our team, all of us have families, so we wanted to make it a little bit extra special. So we are giving away a couple bikes, computer, camera, kids play set. So a couple things that'll hopefully make the day as good for the kids as it is for Shanell and her family. On behalf of the Midas North Brunswick team and our friends at Advanced Auto Parts, we are proud to offer this fully refurbished Chrysler 200 as part of Midas's Project Spark.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
So Project Spark, Midas, and Advanced Auto Parts, your godsends. This program is amazing, and the fact that you help people get back on their feet is just remarkable.
I want to humbly thank Project Spark, Midas, Advanced Auto, Family Promise, and everybody who came together to help me get this vehicle. I'm happy. I don't think you guys know how happy I am.